Hello ladies, today we will talk about glueless lace wig installations, how they save time, are less messy, and what option is best for you. Now, one of the most important decisions for deciding between glueless or glued down lace is time. Sometimes we just do not have the time to glue down or tack down our lace. So a flawless, glueless lace wig is oftentimes the option. Now, if you're somebody who's short on time in the morning, you want a glueless lace wig. And you want your wig to look flawless and be easy to put on every morning. Our glueless lace wigs are easy to install and easy to maintain. All of our wigs are available at magichaircompany.com, or you can of course make an appointment to shop with us in our Culver City store. We have custom coloring available and hundreds of wigs available and ready for a new home. And the best thing about our quality lace and glueless lace wigs is if you want to glue them down, you can. The option is yours. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and share this video. See you soon. Bye.